Porsche co-designed Star Wars Starfighter, based on Taycan EV. 911 German carmaker Porsche, along with the Walt Disney Studios Lucasfilm, designed a Star Wars-themed fantasy spaceship based on its Taycan EV 911. While the tri-wing S-91x Pegasus Starfighter won't appear in Star Wars: The Rise of Skywalker, a 5-foot-long, highly detailed subscale model will be unveiled at the movie's premiere, Porsche said. The project took over 2 months to complete. The modified 1997 James Bond game contains Tesla's Cybertruck. Elon Musk YouTuber Grass00 has shared a video of a 1997 James Bond-themed game GoldenEye 007, which was modified to feature Tesla co-founder and CEO Elon Musk and the newly launched electric Cybertruck. The short clip includes a Musk-faced character who offers James Bond his Cybertruck. Bond then rides Cybertruck through the streets instead of the tank that's usually driven in that level. Ferrari won't have a fully electric car ready until after 2025. CEO Ferrari won't have its first fully electric model ready until after 2025 as the battery technology requires more development. The Italian luxury sports car maker's chief executive officer Louis Camilleri said, "There are still significant issues in terms of autonomy. In terms of speed of recharging," he said. Ferrari unveiled its first production plug-in hybrid supercar SF90 Stradale in May. Elon Musk seen driving Tesla Cybertruck with girlfriend Grimes. Tesla CEO Elon Musk was recently seen driving the automaker's newly unveiled Cybertruck around Los Angeles, U.S. Multiple pictures of the pickup truck, which Musk reportedly left parked in front of a restaurant he was visiting with his girlfriend Grimes and other friends, have surfaced online. Earlier this year, Musk had claimed that Cybertruck was his favorite upcoming Tesla product.